Discover the ancient vault of mysteries, unlocking the past's most profound secrets. Electricity, the invisible force that powers our world. But what if it wasn't modern at all? What if someone, thousands of years before Tesla or Edison, had already discovered it? In the dusty ruins near Baghdad, archaeologists unearthed a small clay jar. Inside, a copper cylinder, an iron rod, and traces of acid. When reconstructed, it produced electricity, a simple clay pot that shouldn't exist. Tonight, we unravel one of history's greatest enigmas, the Baghdad Battery, ancient electricity or myth. It began in 1936 near the village of Rabu, close to ancient Ctesiphon, once the beating heart of the Parthian Empire. Archaeologists found several clay jars, simple and unremarkable, except one. Inside was a copper cylinder fitted perfectly inside the jar, an iron rod at its core, sealed with bitumen, a natural asphalt used to keep water out. In 1938, Wilhelm Koenig, curator of the Baghdad Museum, examined it and made a radical claim. This is a battery. If he was right, that would mean ancient engineers understood electricity 2 millennia ago, a discovery that could rewrite science itself.
The Baghdad Battery, discovered in 1936 near Rabu, Iraq, remains one of history's most intriguing archaeological finds. This ancient artifact, a 13-centimeter tall clay jar, held a copper cylinder with an iron rod suspended precisely in its center. The top was sealed with asphalt, insulating the iron rod from the copper, creating a setup remarkably similar to a modern galvanic cell. When an acidic electrolyte, like vinegar or wine, was poured inside, a chemical reaction would occur between the copper and iron. This interaction would cause electrons to move, generating an electrical current and creating voltage. Replicas of the Baghdad Battery have demonstrated its capability to produce between 0.8 and 2 volts per jar. While a single jar yields low voltage, connecting several in series could generate enough power for various applications. Proposed uses include electroplating objects with precious metals, providing mild electric shocks for medicinal purposes, or creating a tingling sensation for rituals. Dating back to the Parthian or Sasanian periods, this artifact challenges our understanding of ancient technology. Its true purpose remains a subject of debate, a testament to the enduring mysteries of our past.
In the 1940s, German scientists built replicas of the Baghdad Battery, an artifact dating back to ancient empires. They filled these ancient-inspired jars with acidic liquids like vinegar and lemon juice, and witnessed sparks of energy. This demonstrated voltage from ancient clay, raising the question, could the ancients have used electricity? Perhaps this technology was used for electroplating, coating gold or silver onto sacred jewelry. When linked in series, these battery replicas could create enough current to decorate metal with shimmering perfection. If this theory holds true, the Baghdad Battery was no accident. It was a sophisticated technology. It represents a forgotten technology from a world that continues to reveal its mysteries.
The Baghdad Battery isn't alone in challenging our understanding of ancient technology. The past hides other technological riddles, hinting at forgotten genius across global civilizations. Consider the Antikythera mechanism, an ancient Greek analog computer of astonishing complexity. Then there's Roman concrete, a material so resilient it appears to self-heal, enduring for millennia. Egyptian carvings show mysterious bolt-like shapes, sparking theories of advanced ancient knowledge. And Indian vimanas, described in ancient texts as sophisticated flying machines, defy simple explanation. Different places, different times, yet the same whispers of forgotten genius echo through history. Science calls it coincidence, history calls it anomaly. But maybe, just maybe, it's memory. Skeptics argue the Baghdad Battery is a misinterpretation. Perhaps it was simply a storage jar, a container for scrolls or oils. The copper and iron might have corroded naturally, producing a faint charge by accident. No wires, no tools, no ancient light bulbs. Still, every test, every experiment points to a pattern too perfect to ignore. Even if it wasn't meant to be a battery, how did it end up functioning like one? Coincidence? or forgotten intention. The Baghdad Battery isn't alone. The past hides other technological riddles: the Antikythera mechanism, an ancient Greek computer that predicted eclipses, Roman concrete that self-heals, Egyptian carvings showing bold-like shapes, Indian vimanas described as flying machines. Different places, different times, yet the same whispers of forgotten genius. Did civilizations long ago glimpse secrets we've only just begun to rediscover? Science calls it coincidence. History calls it anomaly. But maybe it's memory.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comments section below. Your support helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next video.